fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your...
Hi guys, I'm back. It's a bit too high pitched, isn't it? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So yes, I know it's been a break if you even cared at all, but for me, I cared. So yeah, so I sort of hit 100 subscribers plus now, so looking at my channel anyway, and I went away because your girl got ill. I had the flu on and off, like I had the cold on and off, and then it turned into a full-blown flu. Work was super busy, like my actual part-time job, and then my other job, I launched a web series, go check it out, it's called We'll Be in Touch. I launched that, so I've been super busy, not being able to cope. So I'm back though. My YouTube my channel sort of suffered for that though. By a loss of 1 subscriber. Oh, why? Anyway, so yeah, and yes, I'm in a dressing gown again. So today, from the title, oh yeah, welcome to Acting Sundays. Hope you guys are well. I'm just recovering now, like I said. So yeah, everything's peachy. But yeah, today, from the title, like I said, I am doing a makeup look for Daenerys Targaryen. Is that how you say it? Daenerys Targaryen? That's definitely how you say the last name, but I can't remember how you say her for Daenerys. I think it is. Basically, to celebrate Game of Thrones, because obviously Game of Thrones is coming back out in April. And yes, I am a fan. I know none of their names, but I am a fan. I just really struggle with long names like that. Anywho, especially when there's like more than one character, apart from Arya and Sansa. Anyway, so all my makeup is here. I even got a wig. We'll see how that works out, because I've never placed a wig on my head before. Well, okay, I have, but like I want it to look decent, but if it doesn't look decent, then that's fine. Also, this eye is a bit swollen, don't know why, don't ask me. It's going down a bit, to be fair, but like my skin is just not good. Oh my. Right, so let's begin. So I'm going to prime my face with Paul & Joe like primer. I got it from like my Birchbox, and it's all right. It doesn't make me look ashy, which I was scared of, which is good. It's actually quite moisturized, because a bit, I wouldn't say it's tint. Okay, yeah, it is a bit tinted, something. But if you put a little bit on, look, it's like that. So if you put a bit on, it goes. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. I promise it doesn't make you look grey. I might have to restart. My skin is actually really bad today. Oh my. Let's see about my forehead. If it's really bad, then I'll take it off. See, it's alright on my forehead. Well, even if I do look ashy right now, I'm just gonna deal with it, because CBA to take it off. I'm not a makeup artist, and this is just for fun. And then I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, which should even this ash out. Ever since I was a little girl, I've been re-watching like the Glee songs, and it's been amazing, guys. Apart from like that, basically they're dead and one's a pedo. But apart from that, like remembering that, like just reminiscing on my childhood has been amazing. It's not even my childhood, it's like my teenage years Glee was, and it's been amazing. Explain myself. There we go, bring the chocolate back. Oh, I didn't, what am I doing? I've not done a makeup video in ages, because I can't remember what to do. I've not even done my eyebrows. So, I'm going to do my eyebrows now, and I'm not going to tell you how I do it, because I've done it so many times, and it's the same product. It's the L'Oreal Brow Shape Artist Pencil thing. So, I'm just going to do it quickly. And then I'm going to line them. What? Oh yeah, I'm also using the Bobbi Brow Shaper. Right, and then I'm going to what's it called? Conceal, don't feel my face with the Revolution Revolution Pro full camouflage concealer, which I need right now. Why? Everything's just bloody dry. I can't handle it. Oh, my favourite song. I get wings to fly. Oh, oh, I'm alive. I can't touch the sky. I'm alive. So I'm gonna contour with my e.l.f. palette because your girl is lazy. So I'm just gonna contour with my fingers as well because she's got such light makeup. There's no point like adding loads and loads like to my face when she doesn't have loads. Right, and then I'm gonna go in. What am I gonna do next? Am I gonna do my eyes or am I gonna do my face? I know everyone goes, do your eyes first, blah 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 blah, but whatever, I don't really care. So I'm gonna do my face, my eyes even, even though I gave that speech, but I'm gonna do my eyes. And I'm gonna go in with, what am I gonna use? I'm gonna go for this colour actually. This one over here for the base. And then I think I'm just gonna add like a glowy brown. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's going on here, it's really red. Ignore that, I look a mess, so just ignore that. I'm gonna go in with this colour over here for like the top, I think. We'll see how that goes. And then I'm just gonna go in with this as well. This one as well. So that, just for the corner crease. And then just blend it. What's my saying, guys? Blend, baby, blend. So it should just turn out like this sort of thing. I hope the camera can pick that up. Very simple, very glowy. I'm gonna have to pick like a actress or like character that has a bit more to their makeup, because I realise all the makeup looks I've done so far are very natural looking sort of thing. Anywho, let's do, oh yeah, let's do my eyes. Not finish my eyes. Let's underline my eyes real quick. I'm really hating my skin. It's really bad. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's really bad. It's pissing me off, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, let's just continue. I'm gonna use the Max Factor where is it? Oh, the 2000 calorie. I thought it was 5000. The Max Factor 2000 calorie mascara. I'm just gonna add like her eyes aren't very like open, so I'm just gonna add like a light coat. And then I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Glam Bronzer, which I've used quite a bit of. I'm just gonna go in that because this is the best one because it makes me look so glowy and adds just some colour into me. And then I'm going to go for my Sleek blusher, which is very good as well. And I'm gonna go for this like brownie colour as well, which I've used a bit of as well, if you can tell. And that adds like a nice glowy effect to my skin. But not too much, kids, because Daenerys doesn't wear that much makeup. Considering I don't think they had makeup in those times. And he stopped being weird, I apologise. And then I'm gonna go for my Master Strobe Maybelline highlighter, which is very nice for the very natural look. Let me bring you out a bit. It's a bit much now, isn't it? Oh gosh, wrong way. Put it on the nose, the bridge. Also, my skin, like on my hands and stuff, is so bad as well. Like my eczema even. If you can see it, because I'm not gonna edit it out, because back in the day I used to edit like when my hands will creep up and show like my bad skin, but I'm basically having like a treatment called phototherapy at the moment. So my skin is actually peeling. The eczema's peeling, which I guess is a good thing. So then new skin can come. So I'll talk more about this in a separate video. But yeah, so that's what's happening. So don't be alarmed at my skin. Yeah, so it's peeling so new skin can come. And basically healing itself. That's what's sort of going on at the moment. But because it's on my hands, like you can't see it on my feet. And hopefully by summer it'll be gone. But because it's on my hands, you can obviously see it. So I just have to live with that. Even though it's ugly, I have to live with it. Anyway, carrying on. Under the brows as well. Now for the lips. I'm going to use my Estee Lauder lip liner. Which is double wear lip stay in place lip pencil. Is 18 nude. Anyway, it's quite bright. It's not bright, it's just that it needs to like, it's a good blending one. So I just add it in the middle. And then I'm gonna add this lip stain from that Douce? I like douche. And then just gonna put that over the top of it as well. And just sort of blend that out. To give that sort of like rosy effect. Okay, I think I've sort of ruined. Actually, no, it's not. Oh, no, I think I've ruined it. I'm just gonna add a darker lip pencil, the NYX, just to the outside of my lips. Cool. And then this is the finished product, makeup wise. So now I'm gonna change my top and then try and put my wig on, and then we'll play some very Game of Thrones-esque music, okay? Okay. I don't know how to make this look good, guys, help me. Maybe if I, yes, okay. Something's happening. Let me get a hairband. It's because my head's so big. I was right about it looking too chunky. Good quality though, this wig. But yeah, something's happening. Is it working? Who knows? I don't think it's the worst. It's just too big here. I am Daenerys Khaleesi. Oh wait. Okay, I don't think that's too bad. Maybe I should bring this back more. Yeah, that's better. Oh yeah, that's looking a lot better-ish. I don't know. I think I'm kidding myself. This is my cape, by the way, if you want to know. I don't think it's the worst thing, I'm not gonna lie. It could have gone a lot worse. I don't think it's that bad. Oh, cape, come back. Right, what do you think, guys? Do you think it could have been worse? Because I think it could be worse. Like, obviously, my head's too big because of the braids and everything. I've got a big head, so it's like even bigger because of the braids. Anyway, so yeah. Also, if I need to start doing that. So yeah, I think it could be a lot worse. I think it's not the worst thing ever. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts on what you think and so forth. And I'll probably edit this to make like the picture to make it look very good so people can actually click and then they'll realize the shambles it was. Clickbait at its best. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video, a little fun one. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Peace.